Hey, you watch the guy. If you were a low gangster from Logan Paul. Hey, put it down in the comments. Jake Paul roasted and did a diss track to Jake Paul. I'll put the link down in the description. But it was pretty okay. I mean, but now Logan Paul is gonna make one about his brother Jake. I can't wait till it comes out. But I just came in to talk to you and Scott for a few minutes. What are you trying to do? Help me, help you. Guys, you need to find the song Help Me, Help You, and get it to #1 because it's an amazing song. I'll put it down in the link below, maybe too. What are you trying to do? Help me, help you. Oh, sorry. Did I show you my fidget spinners? There's this one in the camera. Pink with black. Whatever is that called. It looks purple though. It's pink, I promise you. Surprise one. This one, they're both metal. Captain America Shield one. It's spinning, don't worry. Now watch this, ready? Looks like it's going in. Now it looks like it's going out. I'm spinning, I keep spinning on my knees. I love moving. You can hear the sound of this one, right? My favorite is probably this one. It's pretty cool though. Oh, don't forget to subscribe, guys. I got this one was $13 and this one was $13. So $26 altogether. This one came with the case and the other one came with a plastic case back. I think it broke. I had this one for 3 days now. This one only for 2. See, this one for 2.5 and this one for a day and a half. Go, dude, my dog, go. Buster, say hi to the unicorns. I think about changing that name. But yeah. See you guys, I'll put the links in the description. Maybe, I don't know yet. I put lotion on my skin. I had a really dry skin and sharp skin. It's like it's sunburnt. But bye guys, remember to subscribe, like, and comment. Bye.